Hey guys, so I've bit the bullet. I've bought a brand new Team Associated B6.3D kit to build. This is to replace my Losi 22 buggy, which is an original, which is now very old and struggling to get parts for. So I'm going to dive straight in and start the build. So as you can see, I've already started putting it together. Rear end is in. I'm just going to start building the front. So I've got the front A-arm assembly all put together. So I'm just going to put that in the car now. It's pretty cool. Now I can just flip it over, sorry. Clip the turnbuckles in, which I've already set the sizes of the turnbuckles. Put the steer in, arms in. These are always tight, even tighter on the new build. Beautiful. Front end's ready now to have the shocks put on. So one thing I really like about the manual is when you're doing your shocks, it actually gives you the distance between your shock cap and the spring. So your front 4.2 and your rear is 8.7. So all I do is I get a digital caliper and just literally measure between your shocks. Hopefully you can see that. I think that's about 8.7. So I just do that for the back the same, and then obviously for the front the same, so you get equal measurements. I guess this is a ballpark figure until you get your wheels on, your motor, your ESC, your battery, everything, and you can use your ride height gauge. And another cool thing that they've put in with this kit, which I've never seen on anybody else's car, is they've got these shock tower protectors. I think they're called gull wings. I'm somebody who, when he does flip his car or land on his front shock tower, so get chips out. So these are really good. Covering over, just a couple of screws, cover the fronts over, protect your fronts, and they've also got ones for the rear that you can put on your car. So the actual kit part of it build is done. I don't like the way that the battery holder is. So used to having straps to hold it down. You know, it's tight. I ain't even got the motor in yet. I don't like it. The nuts here, you got to take on and off. I've never been somebody who's charged their battery in their car, so I don't know if this is, you know, you just put one battery in and you just keep charging that battery in your car. I don't really know. But if anybody's got any ideas for me on this, I'd love to know if there's an upgrade or something like that. Could you please drop me a comment? Would be greatly appreciated. I've got which I've already sorted together, a Reedy Power Plus 13.5 motor with a Reedy 1000Z Plus Pro ESC to put in. Should be plenty of power for our track. The body that I got is just the kit body, so I'll be doing that and the wing in another video. Hopefully I can get out to a carpet track or something just to give it a running round, as now it's winter here in Canada with snow on the ground, so our track's closed. So if I happen to do that, I will post a video of it on the track. This was a B6.3D team associated buggy. Please subscribe, like and share, and turn your notification on to Short Track RC, and watch this video right now.